Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Folorunshoflawlessbeautytips TV. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of hair growth. Hair is not just dead cells, it's a complex process. Let's uncover 3 fascinating facts about hair growth, and in this we will also discuss about hair porosity and how to care for different types of hair. Let's talk about hair growth phases. Fact number 1, hair grows in cycles. There are 3 main phases: anagen, catagen, and telogen. Anagen is the growth phase, where your hair grows about half an inch every month. Catagen is a transitional phase, and telogen is the resting phase where your hair eventually falls out. Understanding these phases can help you take better care of your hair. Fact 2, genetics play a role. Fact number 2, genetics plays a significant role in your hair's growth pattern. The rate of hair growth, its texture, and even when it starts graying are often predetermined by your genes. So, if you've ever wondered why your hair is the way it is, thank your ancestors. Fact 3, nutrition matters. Fact number 3, your diet impacts your hair growth. Nutrients like biotin, vitamins A and D, and protein are crucial for healthy hair. A balanced diet ensures your follicles have the building blocks they need to produce strong and luscious locks. Hair porosity refers to your hair's ability to absorb and retain moisture. There are 3 main types of hair porosity: low porosity, normal porosity, and high porosity. Let's break down each type in simple terms. Let's talk about low porosity hair. Description: imagine your hair is like a roof with tightly closed shingles. Low porosity hair has a cuticle layer that lays flat and is very resistant to moisture penetration. Characteristics: water and products tend to sit on the hair's surface rather than getting absorbed. It may take longer to wet your hair in the shower, and it can be hard to get products to penetrate. Care tips: use lightweight, liquid-based products, and avoid heavy, thick creams. Heat can help open the cuticle slightly, so using warm water and warm product application can be beneficial. Normal porosity hair. Description: let's think of your hair as having slightly lifted shingles on a roof. Normal porosity hair has a balanced cuticle layer that allows moisture to enter and be retained without difficulty. Characteristics: it can easily absorb and retain moisture without becoming overly dry or too greasy. It tends to hold styles well and responds favorably to most hair care products. Care tips: normal porosity hair doesn't require any specific treatments. Regular maintenance and a balanced hair care routine work well. High porosity hair. Description: picture your hair as a roof with damaged or missing shingles. High porosity hair has a cuticle layer that's open, damaged, or has gaps, making it extremely porous. Let's discuss some characteristics: it quickly absorbs moisture, but it also loses it just as fast. High porosity hair can feel dry, frizzy, and prone to breakage. It may also be more susceptible to color and heat damage. Care tips: focus on deep conditioning and using leave-in treatments to help seal and repair the cuticle. Using heavier oils and butters can also help lock in moisture. Understanding your hair's porosity can guide you in selecting the right products and care routines. It helps you make the most of your hair's natural characteristics and maintain its health and beauty. Understand your hair type before coloring or dyeing your hair. I am talking from experience, don't just buy any hair care products. There you have it, 3 intriguing facts about hair growth. Remember, it's a dynamic process influenced by phases, genetics, and your diet. So, embrace your natural hair journey, nurture it, and let it shine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting video like this.